In front of me is TCL NXTpaper 11 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. Begin by opening Settings and tapping on Bluetooth. Now use this switcher at the top right corner to activate it, and wait for Device Name section to show up. When it does, click on it and type in whatever you want to, like Sunny. Then hit Rename. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, name of my tablet has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!